Hey Garden Dreamers, Joe here. I am going to cut my zinnias. I don't tend to do this, but I keep seeing all the other gardeners cut their zinnias, so the more you cut, the more they'll grow. But it's just so colorful right now that I don't even want to cut them, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make myself a little bouquet. So let's do it. And I couldn't find my other shears, the straight ones, because of course I leave them everywhere. So I'm going to cut them. This one's so pretty. They're all so pretty. I'm going to cut them right here where you see the V starting. No, yeah, I'm gonna cut this one here. All right, I'm just gonna wing it, y'all. And then you gotta cut it kind of like at an angle. And I didn't think this through. I don't know where to put them. My husband's gonna hold them for me. This one, you can see the V right here. And this one, and this one, and this one's gonna have more flowers, and this one has more flowers. So I'm gonna put it here, so it could bush out some more. And I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna try this one here, above the V. This one has the V right here, but I cut it above it this time. And also I like to leave them on because I like the zinnia seeds to dry up so I could collect them for next year. Some are small, some are smaller than others. I'll show you guys the bouquet right now. I'm gonna have to put stepping stones because this one is one of my favorites because she's so full of petals and it looks like she got splashed by paint. So cute. This one over here is falling down and you're supposed to cut it after the third set of leaves. So this is one set that's drying, 2, 3, and this one's already getting a leaf. We're gonna cut it here. She's getting kind of wonky, as you can see. So I'm gonna cut it here, and hopefully her stem gets sturdier. This one has 3 set of leaves. You could just pinch. This one's smaller. See that? You could just pinch this top little layer right here, and you just took out that 4th set of leaves, and hopefully it'll get thicker. So pretty. Okay. All right. Let's see. This one I had cut in the past. You could see the cut right here. This is a flower. And then here's another V. I'm gonna cut it there. Same thing with this one. I cut it down there at the V. Here's another V. I'm gonna cut it right there. And then it'll bush out even more, hopefully. This is my pretty snake flower. It's a little green bush. I think it stays evergreen. And then it gets these cute little flowers. My garden friend gifted this one to me. There's 2 zinnias back here growing, and they're pretty thin. It has 5 sets of leaves, but I'm gonna cut it down here on the 3rd one. Both of these. Hopefully they get thicker. Ah! Yeah. Ah!
You do need stepping stones.
I do need stepping stones. What's that, husband? You're gonna get on it?
Yeah.
You're just gonna get right on it. My husband said he's gonna get on it.
But it has some kind of pattern. Otherwise you can't randomly throw them out there.
Let me.
They look pretty.
Thank you. Okay, my husband's squishing my flowers. Let me go put these inside really quick. Yes, you were. Okay, we'll fix these indoors right now. Let me run inside and put them. So I brought the first set in, and I'm just gonna take off the leaves and just put them in the vase. You wanna take off the leaves in the bottom because if you leave the leaves, they get all moldy or gross with the water. Ta-da! Cute little vase. I'm not good at making flower arrangements. Yet, my husband says. Aw. Positive poly. It's an art. It really is an art form to make these gorgeous vases, flower arrangements that people make. Anyway, I found lace wings. This is why I didn't want to cut them. I found lace wing buggies right here. I don't know if you could see them.
Yeah.
That camera's not really good at getting close-ups. Anyway, the lace wings are super beneficial to the garden, so I'm gonna put these back outside gently and hope they survive. Sorry, little lace wings. And let's go cut some more. Hummingbird! Oh, hi, Dad. Oh, I was watering the front yard this morning, and it kept coming toward the water. I think it was like drinking water. Like 4 times, it would like come close to the water. Okay, little lace wings. I'm gonna leave you there. I hope nobody eats you. I have these very pretty cosmos. They're orange, super cute. Somebody, a garden friend on Instagram, gifted those to me. Amy? No, I don't remember who exactly. Hi, butterfly. Hi.
Attack mode.
It's all mad at me, and I'm like, cutie. He's like, get out of my garden.
What's wrong with you?
They're like the meanest things ever, and we're like, oh, cute.
There's a meme about that.
There's a meme about the ladybugs.
Oh, same thing about butterflies.
Oh no, I haven't seen the butterfly one.
It's just like, oh, cute and all that stuff, and then like the butterfly's perspective is throwing it a finger.
It's all a boy. Yeah. I'm not cute like Asun. Stop calling me cute. Okay, if anybody sees my shears anywhere in the garden, let me know. These are a little smaller than the ones over there. I'm not too sure on the varieties that I have. Some I've bought in, some have been gifted to me. So, and I don't keep track, I just throw them down. And it's supposed to rain next week. On the forecast, it has like 4 days of rain, but somehow it always goes around me. Literally, like there's like clouds all around. It's like a cartoon. It doesn't hit me. So hopefully it rains next week and my garden's gonna be oh so happy. If you could see, all 3 of these were already bushing out this way. I cut it here and it's already branching out. Little branch here. And I cut it right here and it's already branching out this way. Oh, I didn't tell you. I recorded him but barely. Oh my gosh. Ask Rosie, we were cracking up, dude. He was dancing. Yeah. And she's like, oh, because it was just the 4 of them yesterday.
Oh, okay, nobody else?
At tennis? No. And he was dancing and dancing, and Rosie's like, how come the coaches don't tell him anything? I'm like, because he doesn't listen, so they don't even bother with him. Yeah. But he was like on a good one, just like dancing and he was like, have you seen how he does it? Yeah. Oh my gosh. And then we were just cracking up and I was like, oh my gosh, I should be recording this. Literally get out the camera, he stops. She's like, what? It's like he saw you. I'm like, I know, I'm telling you, I can never like catch him. And I'm like, I can't even say, go, get it, because he stops dancing, you know? If I like egg him on, I know. I got a little bit of it, but dude, we were cracking up. Like, the boys got rid of
He
really does.
When he dances, I'm like, dang, you got it from mom.
No, he's
more guts it from me.
yeah, he's literally me. He's literally me. Emotions and all. So funny. All right, I think we're done.
Not getting the big ones?
What big ones?
This, that, red.
It's because it's gonna be all empty. I'm gonna be all sad. Oh, that one had a lace wing. That's why I hadn't got it. I have some flower food from when my husband buys me flowers. He knows I love flowers, so I almost always have flowers. Don't mind my dirty kitchen right now. I'm in the garden, so it can wait. A little spider. A little spider. Sorry, I removed you from your home. Here, honey, take it. Take her outside. There's gonna be bugs. Don't you worry. Another spider. A little spider. Here. Yes. There's a little spider web. See? I don't know where the web was. Sorry, baby. Just get it with your hand.
Whatever, you get it with your hand. With my hand. Are you married already?
Okay, I made this bouquet. It's not the best. I didn't say I was a florist. And then the little extras I put here, and I have a little more over here, so I'll put those somewhere else. The excess leaves, I have a compost under my sink. So I will put those in the compost. And I had about 6 or 7 leaves that had oh my gosh, what are they called? The lace wings. So I'm gonna put the lace wings outside and throw my compost in the compost. So I don't like to be wasteful, so anything that I remove from the garden, I put it back in my compost to make dirt. This is my compost. I think it's probably ready. Let's see. Smells good. But I still have room in there. So I'm gonna keep putting stuff. And then I'll start. It has two cells. So when this one's done, you start this one. And every time I come over here, I add a little more leaves in my compost bin, and I put it under the sink, and that way it doesn't smell as bad under the sink. I probably bring it out every, 3 days. Whenever I do start to smell it or remember, I bring it back out. I'm gonna put them, where do I put them?
Scatter them.
I'm gonna put them in here, in there, and hope they survive. Sorry. All right.
Butterflies eat them?
I don't know if butterflies eat lace wings. I'll look that up. My husband's asking if the butterflies eat the lace wings because I just gave them food. Circle of life. Even if they do, great. That's all I got. Anyway. I don't know.
Just end it already.
And cut. All right.
Smash that like button.
Okay. Gosh, you're not cool. You never were. Okay, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed me cutting zinnias. If you look in the details, the box below, what is that called? No, not this below. In the description area below, I'll put another post of them blossoming after I cut them. Hit that like button and the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Look at the butterflies. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 butterflies. I'm not gonna bother you.
Yeah, that bush definitely brings the butterflies.
Yes, I love it.
They don't really land on anything else, huh?
No, not really. Are they fluttering? Are they coming
They're
back?
fluttering.
Are they
There's
scared?
There's one right there.
There's one rebel that's not moving.
Do it.
I was trying to do my ending with the butterflies fluttering around me, but they all like skedaddled.